Judas in the garden, hiding, hiding, hiding. The Judas them in the garden, hiding, hiding, hiding. The Judas them in the garden, hiding. But we so find out. Judas, Judas, Judas. Judas, I rather dep on a hillside where me no have nobody fi talk to. I rather dep on a hillside where me no have nobody fi talk to. Me talk to the wild bushes, the wild hoggies, the wild bird, and the species them. But Judas, Judas. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? I talk to you every day. And I tell you can't say me not preach this to you. Every day me preach this to you. Be careful of your surrounding. Be careful who you call friends. Be careful who you let in on a circle. Be careful of your own picnic. Be careful of your own family and relatives. Every day me preach that, I tell you. We should know this right now we are watching me can't say a lie me I tell. If I lie, me I tell, type lie in the comment section. If I lie, me I tell, say me no want to know every day for what you surrounding and be careful of your surrounding. Be careful of even your own picnic, your family, your relative. Because are the closest set of people to you, whether friends or family, have the whole of the opportunity for hurt to know. If I lie, me I tell, type it in the comment section. Me go as far as I say sometimes when you not go on the yard on the shadow follow you, or when you not identify so phone shadow tap, bend down and take up stone and stone the shadow to see if it a go run. Just to make sure you know how we're on the surrounding. People, you know what they do. They do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet hit the subscription button, go ahead and hit it now. And remember to support my backup channel. Or continue to support my backup channel. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel either, Life is a Mission TV, go ahead and subscribe now. Remember, please to watch the ads, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Yes, man. And when you look up, you're saying I'm a community, you see Tamika Douglas TV. Please go and give her a subscription. Remember, they ask 10 subscription a week. On almost there for this week and the weekend Tuesday. But if we can get 20 and 30, the quicker we get it, the better. So we can probably move on to help somebody else. And help them to get monetized. And when you look down here, so you say Life with Gabby and Chevy. The comment section pin. Give them a subscription also. And the cash up down there, $ Life is a Mission TV. You ask for it, you get it. People, as me say every day, I come out here and I tell you about people. You see, human being. This is not Jamaica. Oh, I have Jamaican here. Alright, this is both US and this is Jamaican. You see, human being, themselves, this is the root of all evil. This, money. But people, you see the money, look on it. The money upon the money is an unalive man. So the money not unalive. And if I'm not lying, this man is also an unalive man. The money not unalive. See that? The money can't take up its foot and walk going in my pocket. And me have to take it up. So me is who in control of this money when I have it. So money is not the root of all evil. Man make money be what it is. And you see, in life, when you have certain people around your circles, you can't treat them too good. You could have treat them even better than yourself. You see this? You see worse, if them figure more or less say you're there above them in a life. Despite you're above them in a life, you try to carry them up with you, You now be the crab in a barrel thing, You try to move them. But guess what me now? The patient, them don't want to have the patient there. Or when them say, oh, long it take you or how hard you have to work to reach where you reach. Them want the shortcut, them want the easy way out. Because them want to start angle thousands of dollars. Because which part you there? Them for dead too. Yes, no problem. In dead too. But wait your turn. It's simple. Wait your turn. Work towards reaching there. Don't try to tear me down from up there. We have so much good art for you that me carry you along my journey, that you can be recognized by the same set of people that support me, the same set of people that help me to reach where I am today. Me make they end up be a supporter of you also. But what? So you don't reach the top which part of me the same time. You take the shortcut route and try to sell me out for me just show no a 2 shilling, a few shilling. Penny wise and pound foolish. Little did you know that this can backfire upon you. Because all you have achieved where Planka Shop and Planka Nation is concerned, you can't lose it now by the snap of a finger. All because you did a run down the paper. So that is how penny wise and pound foolish come in. It's just like the dog, him have a bone in his mouth, him looking at the water, him see another bone, him let go the one him already have in his mouth, just to go for the one in the water. And I realize that the same one I'm shadow him see. People, this Judas argument. For now, everybody has no call a name, no call a name, no call a name. Every platform I see the no call a name, no call a name. Really, me are the type of person where me not go jump and call a name. Either. Because the type of person me is. Sometimes we cannot look in a one direction and I say, yes man, I through that door there, the person go. And we have not pre-say the person go through the window there so. And then the person will go through that door, we cast a judgment on that person when, you know, and this is why most time you have innocent people end up going to prison. Because sometimes the evidence does lead to them but honor them. But me is a keen observer as me telling no people. And you see this Judas here. I wake up this morning, people. This morning I wake up and I catch Dana upon her life. And when I catch Dana upon her life, I was like, we are doing in the life. But you don't know sometimes when you want to catch up with what go on, all you have to do is go in the comment section and listen at the same time and you'll get the idea of what go on. And just listening to Dana talk, Dana said a lot. Where them say we done over yourself. But as I say, you don't need to have no PhD to be smart. Street smart. Take you anywhere you want to go. Not for them only have documentation, PhD, this, that, them are engineer, them this, them are that, them are run, them are scientist, them are this. But for do the actual work, them can't do it. I just say papers them have. Me no idiot. Me is a keen listener and I am an observer. And there's a lot of hint if no for uno we are listen can me end up go over and listen to the live now from top, you know. And if uno are listen and uno not hear all them in there and come to the conclusion who this Judas is. And now find out who this Judas is. Something wrong with you know. There is so much hint. You know, 99 try to hold it. She not call her name. Sometimes it's like she don't want to come out and just say it, but you know, she just don't want to do it. Which I feel like is the best way to do it. But you see, conscience of a thing, you know. for bother you. And after all this we're going between yesterday and today, you see that individual not feeling good nowhere part them there. They're uncomfortable. They're at ease. May I tell you that? And I want to leave the party alone because I don't want to go too close. I go play like auntie now. When I realize that I get too close, to give it too much clearer for hint, me draw back. But people, this is what they must say over the years or the months when those set of people oversaw saying that we have people on your bed, we have people on your bed, we have people on your bed. Now we kind of have an understanding. Because the people who associate with them use their influence. Let me put this aside because this is not no value, this is a Jamaican. Use their influence with this, we say, in God we trust, to influence these people and then buy the bait. And then buy the bait that when them bite the bait was so nice, them continue to bite off the bait. That the people them don't have to come to them no more for stories or where them want to hear or where them want to know. They find themselves going now to those people. Because it's like a job now for them. Because they have to make sure them a work, like, you know, you have to work, put in the hours to get paid. So the hours that you put in, you get paid. So them have to bill them paycheck for the month end. And these people are the people who don't have to also. Where them people have say all along, say them have under the bed. These are the set of people. People, I can understand how Dana feel. If you can see, she just try to hold it as a G. You know the reason why she kind of hold it as a G? And the reason why she feels so hurt about this whole system with this Judas is who the Judas is. What I say? Is because of who the Judas is. The Judas is somebody who should never and will never even think would have done something like this. And this is why she feel it like that. And she feel it in a way where me don't know how long she can hold it in her people. Me I tell you the honest truth. Knowing Dana, me not think, you see like how it already out in the public already. She might just try to hold it now because she don't want it to escalate, you know, and blow too much. But knowing it already out in the public, don't buy no ticket off her. She might don't hold it, can't hold it for much longer. But she no need for hold it. Me know who. As I say, I'm a keen listener and a keen observer. Me already know who it is. Many of you know because if one is a keen listener like myself, and you put the twos and the ones and the threes and the 5 and the 6 together and add it up, we know we get the sum one want. And this person would surprise everybody out of the lot. Yes, man. This person would have surprised everybody out of the lot. This person would be probably the last person for us to think of doing this. As me say, we know mankind stay. We all know how mankind stay. But would I think of this person to be the last person to do it? You know, some more want to work. I want to work, you know. Let me fix my glasses. Oh, back to the argument. Yes, man, that person there would have been the last person we think, say, I gotta do this. And this is why, you know, and Auntie might have take it she not really say she take it like, okay, they have said something to pull her down. Because it's nothing to pull her down. It's just that certain confidential things that you wouldn't want to go out there. That you have a few people around you in your circle where, because you alone can't handle the business, you alone can't do certain things, you know, you put people in position who you expect and have confidence into to play a certain role. You play that role there, you play that role there, Paula, you play that role there, you play that role there, you play that role there. So there's going to always be information that you know about one way or the other. And for you to make the papers, make you sell out and be a Judas, not even for 30 pieces of silver. This is like one little piece of silver. Because if you did gain 5 pieces of silver out of the 30, you're going to lose all of it right now. You understand? Me I tell you that. People start surmise who you is already. You understand? People start take back as people start take back as simple as them subscription from you. Just as simple as that. And there is many more you're going to lose. So if you did already gain 5 pieces of silver out of the 30 where them sell out Jesus Christ, sir, you're going to lose back your 5. You understand what I say? So people, as me tell you now, I'm not going to say much more upon this. I'm going to leave it for unfold. But I know no phone smart, although them say we done so over here. No phone already come to a conclusion. Some of them might choose the wrong person. I think of the wrong person. But some of them might just have the person lock up in our answer. Because as I say, once you're keen as a listener, and you can put things together, there is so many things that Dr. Marigo has said during her lives pertaining to that will give you, it's like a scrambled puzzle. But with she talking, you can get a piece of yourself, and you put it yourself, and you put it yourself, and you put it yourself, and you join it, and it is so easy. So easy. I don't know, one of them puzzles that were hard to put together based on, you know, what you hear and what you know if he's a follower of Planka Shop over the years. Anyway, people, as me say, I'll leave that for, you know, play out itself, but me know what the Judas, and many of you don't know. So here one, you have Judas from near and far. You have Judas in your family. You have Judas as your friend. So you just be careful. Me I go play one Judas here, so from near and far. With a woman on him platform, and this is Baby Germs. You don't know him one of the Judas them. You understand? Yeah man, him is a Judas, but he's a Judas from far. He's not like that near Judas here. That close Judas here. That ties Judas here. He's not like that one here. He's a far Judas. Because as I say, I have them from near and far. I have a woman on him platform. And most of the things that she has said, me I wonder, you know, what she think and what she consider herself, who she consider herself to be. So, me I go get into it and me I go play that video here of Baby Germs. Stay tuned, because I'm one of them Judas too. When them can't get what them want, or have things them own way, this is how people in life turn against you. You understand? And they will do anything at all for reach. Or when you try help them for reach, you know, willingly, you know, and with a clean heart, you know, and them see I do everything to pull them up, you know. You say any day there's a delay where them not come and notch further, it's like them want to stop right as and go and hook you with something and draw you down. Yes, man. Since the 5th year anniversary, make it for understand, say, the Kwame has becomes a topic. Kwame has becomes a headline for these people. They used to say it before, but all of a sudden, everything just rise up back again. Because sometimes you wonder if them forgot to them did say all of this already. But just the content sake, them just, in this video, Kwame is the topic. And Kwame, why this big greyback woman we call other people greyback woman. Because you can't hear say she's a big woman. You understand? I go say all of what she has say because of the issue with Kwame. Because they are saying Kwame is not. So let's get into it. Listen, baby germs.
One shoulder. If it's one shoulder, so and a tap on the man's shoulder. How is a blind man seeing a shoulder right there to tap on a shoulder? How? Not just that. That is not just the one. Also, the man a pass to the blue something. And when the man a pass, he goes, so I'm pulling him by the. Oh, are you blind? Oh, do you know something as big as that is part? Oh, you know something as big. Oh.
Not because of your condition that you're in. You have no sensitivity when you want to defecate. So you have to permanently wear a pampas. Blind people have different sensitivity. If somebody stand up right here and somebody go pass, body eat alone will pass, sensitize him that somebody probably want to pass. He might know say if him just back, he might clear the way. He don't know the space or the space there. But just him sense when I get from the body eat somebody a pass, he might just back. You understand? You can say the man pat somebody on him shoulder. As I said in the previous video when I talk about this Kwame situation. None of you know if Kwame nearsighted, farsighted, or totally blind. But what I can tell you, I live 3-4 minutes away from Kwame. And if me I drive an Olympic way clear, it can take me 2 minutes or less. And I can tell you that, people, take it from me, Kwame blind. But what as me just say, if him nearsighted, farsighted, or fully blind, I don't know. That's the first thing we're supposed to question. You're going to say, how can him just pat somebody on his shoulder and if the person is close to him like this and his sight can show him the person or a blurry vision of the person, what is it for him to know say yes, this is the man's shoulder? Plus, this is the way they teach blind people to be led by people by holding on to them shoulder. Even when Dana did go to the blind place and the woman that Dana said she want to feel out this something, you remember what the woman tell Dana say? This is how they do it. When you're carrying a blind person, your shoulder is what they hold on to for you to lead them. That's the best way. And I say people take it from me. I live at Towile, and you don't know Olympic Garden, Towile, Cockburn, Pen, Villa, yeah. A one community. And I know Kwame saying blind. So with all no question on not ask. You have a question on yourself if this man nearsighted, farsighted, or fully blind before you say what you say. Alright? Continue.
Oh! I mean, extra, I started saying anything about it.
Listen to that big old English woman here. People, make I say this clear. This woman sound to be an English because of her language. At some point she want to favor sound as if she's FW. I don't know the FW woman on social media, YouTube. It's not she. So don't run with it now, say it won't sound like that woman, the FW woman. No, I know she. Me I make it clear too, no say I'm not she. But should I want sound like her because I know she FW woman are English and she is sound like her English also.
If they try to do any damage control, right? Yes, girl, for the same like Perry. Oh, it's an image of billionaire and Perry full of shit like dog. Perry you want 2 bucks down. Perry you want 2 blood clot box there, big thinking face. More and cuss. Help me, I tried to be a good person.
So what did Mr. Perry say? The man says that image you're building in your head. What did he say wrong? Did you know that if you live in a community, you're never born blind, but you're living in the community for a long while, probably from your youth days come up to adult days, and you end up lose your sight. And he's a person who always in the community and walk in the community. Do you know that you can walk that community after losing your sight without even the help of nobody? Me can tell you of one man. Many people in the Kingston 11 area, Waterhouse, Tower, Cockburn Pen, Olympic Garden, Mall Road, even people as far as downtown and far away. Can tell you about this gentleman. He used to live in the more in the Waterhouse area. I don't remember exactly where. That sell pillars. For years that man have been selling pillars. And him walk with him cane. That man make him pillar and sell him pillar. And that man go all over town and sell him pillar. And when that man a walk in a community, him no need nobody to lead him go in yard. And he's fully blind. Fully blind. And him no need nobody to lead him go in yard. So what I say is nonsense. Nonsense. You don't need to go get some knowledge. That you don't need to go get some knowledge, man.
You blew up in your head. Yes, it built up the original head, and that person didn't be thinking himself. How? People, Perry is blind. I would accept Perry is blind. You know why I would accept Perry is blind? Because Perry walks with one of those stick feet and glide away. Glide away. That is Perry. Perry's blind. Yes, I will accept that. But Kwame is not blind. Oh, when he mount the roof, he mount the ass roof. He mount the roof in a pitch darkness. I'm gonna go up there. A new structure, manage to walk around. Hello, plan. See the house here. See the house.
A new structure. Yes, it might be a new structure. You're right about that. But just like how you can go to school, you can't say ABC, but you head quick and you go to school for 3 days and you can't say ABC. It's just the same way. New structure in blind, as me say, blind people are very sensitive. They learn quick. 2-3 times them carry him up the stage. Him good, as Mr. Perry tell you, him good count the step them in him head already for the first 2 times. So the 3rd time when him go up the stage, him no need nobody. All him want to know now him can feel. And him know say when him come out of him room here so, and him turn right and straighten up at the step that. And once him start climbing, him hold on and start climbing, him count the step them in him head, cause him already been there 1 or 2 times already. How much time you see blind man go about him ways of feel without cane? How much time? Kwame might be one of those. I think I see him with a cane already. I walk. I don't remember. I'm not going to tell a lie and put my neck on the block. But I think I see him with a cane already. But most of Kwame days, Kwame is still this young thinking person. Kwame is not one of those elder person who up in an age of blind where you go see a walk with cane. Kwame, despite his disability of being blind, him still think as if yes, him have him sight. Him still think, if you look notice how him dress, him still just like young boy and stuff like that, and like all is well with him sight. For all the years I have known Kwame, him always have him little friend them and lead him. If him not go a party, go out there, and friend them and lead him. You understand what I say to you? Him always have him hand on one of them friend them shoulder and them and lead him. You understand what I say? So he's not probably one of them who are going to walk with a cane on a daily basis. Because probably mindset to him have said, Chuck, when him can call on him bridge and say, yo, carry him go to the road there. And them carry him go to the road. So because him now walk with a cane every day, him not visually impaired, right? But Mr. Perry walk with him cane every day. So him not have no sight. Because the cane tell us him not have no sight. Who you to? No reason, but I don't know the reason, you know.
Yes, and go back to the edge of the room and go back there and go, when I move on this fucking fool. Let me go to the blood clot, yeah, man, on the bomb clot.
Me not cut nothing, you know, people. Me I do it to raw. Me just want me ignorant for the boy. That she, yeah. I'm angry. You shouldn't.
I'm angry because
You should just can't walk me back your mouth for the rest of the time.
I am angry. I am angry.
To get to me. I mean, I can understand you because she was able to.
I am angry.
In your life, you understand? And spin you a yarn.
I'm so angry.
Over the years, you've learned now that she isn't who she says she is or was.
I'm a boy at that. Yes, doctor, deception. Yes, doctor, blood clot, deception. I forgot blood clot, what cause?
You know what I'm glad say? She's not a doctor to heal you. No matter what kind of doctor you want to say she is, me only glad say she never been a doctor or gain a doctorship where she can't heal you. I probably should have want to heal you, the way her heart's off, And people like you have to stay right there, so. Till the filth dry up all upon you. Till the filth dry up upon you, man. People like you. Me no want all on around me, and that's why I say, me's a lonely, lonely soldier, trotting all by myself. Lonely, lonely soldier, just trot by myself. All me do is associate myself with people I allow by, to a certain limit. I'll keep me distant because me I tell you, every day I learn about people. Every day. People is always going to be your biggest downfall if you allow yourself. If people get the opportunity to bring you down, they will always be your biggest downfall. You're not going to be your own downfall, People always, because people is so covetous, people is so jealous of people for whatever reason. I don't know. Seem like come and reach up so you can't reach up there, And pain my heart sometimes. We cannot come from the same place, the same gutter we in every day. But through my time come, Father God say my time, and me go so I move, you feel like me shouldn't move left you. But I know my calling. A God call me. And my calling, but a God call me and me, and I like me just take up myself and move because me never have the powers there. I don't them here there. So all you have to do is just cheer up, have some confidence in yourself and say, well, if him can go up one day, my time I go come. Because the same man you come here, so come take him up, might come back, come take me up too. But no, you show this ugly and sad face for what happen for me. I will do anything out of your way to tear me down.
And yes. It is what it is. It is what it is. And I don't know what, if she's got them people hypnotized or what, I don't know what it is, but God knows.
He forgot the script, he forgot it. That's a mascot and TikTok.
A lot of these people that follow these platforms as well.
Hey, right, so when me hear right, so I saw this sound like FW, so. But me realize I know she, but right there, so she got deep down like FW that go down. Yeah, man. But people remember, this is not FW, okay? This is not YouTube FW. Make that clear. So I don't want to go out there, go rush off on nobody, or rush off for FW. It's not she.
They're older.
And you know what's the fucked up part about this whole shit? You have grown people out here who knows what this woman is doing is not good, and them call themselves our friend. I don't care who it is just like her. And from today, from this day moving forward, I don't respect none of them. I don't respect one of them because we don't know what's happening and we clearly because we feel like say she's on top and we want to be on top too. Want to endorse the fuckery. I don't like none. I don't like her.
That is the biggest problem. That is one of the biggest problem. You hear just say because them feel like she's on top and they want to be on top too. So them endorse the effort. You feel the same way. You know she's on top where, the whole social media thing, where the whole on we have platform, where coming out against this woman for one reason or the other. Wish many times, for the platform did they wish for fear one did they. If you do, have the powers we she have with our platform and our donors that support her. You know? Uno wish enough time when I go on the bed. Uno have nightmare counting over thousands of dollars. We then I get for donation for issue to people. Uno go on the bed, I have nightmare, I count over the money and wish sa uno. You understand? So you say it right. But it's just that uno, you are wishing the opposite way. That's it.
Because one is everything so far with the country. One is dogs, dogs. I swear to God,
It's all been based on a lot of scamming really anyway, because when you think from beginning, and you're doing these things where you're saying you're helping people that need help and you're building houses and getting shopping, furniture and so on, yeah. From the beginning, when I can't remember when I started watching, maybe before Saloni.
You know what I like ask that woman, yeah? Cause me know no she alone left out her gingeration on earth right now. What evidence or any proof you have can show how much of your gingeration or your relative? Me not talk your pitney them now, you know, because your pitney them is more closer to you. Like one second cousin or one third or so cousin. Or one niece way around the line, your niece. Not the close gingeration. We're good at suffer right now. What evidence or proof you have that you ever reach out to any of them? Because most of these people where Dana and our donors are reaching out to, you know, it's people that have been neglected by like people like Uno. Yes, man. It's people who neglected by people like Uno we call it now, no friend. We call gingeration. You know, relative. And claims I wanna have this, I wanna have that. I wanna brag about what I wanna have. And neglect Uno gingeration them. And then now, when Uno gingeration, sufferation come to the forefront, people see it and decide to reach out Uno have problem. Uno run pan phone after months Uno no call John Harry or nothing. Jerry, Harry, Tony, no you're not your daughter that me see pan phone about chia beg. And you know long you no call Harry. You know long you no call John. Cause if you call John or Harry, probably you don't know same daughter in a certain situation. And if you have any kindness in your heart, if you know say your gingeration them, you would have reach out. But as she come now fi get little help, or come fi get little help, you want blighted it because you know want your friend down the line see and go tell your next friend round there. So Lord God, look how this big grabber come on in her phone and big grabber come and say she have this and she have that and watch it. Me know that girl you know, her little niece you know, look how the little girl has suffer and she can't, you know, want that. So true she come up in her phone now, you have problem. But when she did have fear problem and want your assistant, you wasn't there. But now she ever get the assistant. And true it look bad now upon you because your friends and other relatives are going to say she out there. You know? When you come out all the while, come talk all kind of things.
When I ran, yeah, probably before that time. But my thing was always that, you know, it's a charity. So she says it's a charity, yeah. And I always, my
Where
thing
you
was
say?
always, why
She said
do
charity,
you
where
want
you
my
say?
even if you're in Jamaica, you would have a bank account, so either Donegal or teaching me my cooking skills or whatever.
Don't call her page them. Don't call her page them. She realized cooking was not working, so she had to find another avenue. Deception. And that she find the other avenue, deception.
Yeah.
The cooking part was not working.
Because come on then, me.
Me sure no that I never deceive you and nothing where you send come a Jamaica come gear for give nobody. Nothing at all. I mean I gonna be like a scratch record and go over it. All of what you do, have to buy your way into social media. Buy your clout. Buy your name over Planka Shop. You pay for your own plaque over planker shop. You never want to wait till your turn and you earn the name. So you come and you take your little money where you get from government for your disability and you turn it out in a planker shop. Give Silone this, give this that, give Tara that, Wara that. Yes, because you want to hear every minute the way your name a call. And as Dana say, who want send little credit, go get that. Yeah, Dana go. Yes. I'm gonna send you $50. Yes. And give her $50 for me. Okay, yeah. And within 3 hours time, another thing come up and Dana company live and show ropes up is Dewey shut that again. Yes, Donnelly. Dwayne, it's you. Yes, Dwayne. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna send her a thing tomorrow. If you want to give her it for me, yes, if it's emergency, you can give her it and I'll send it back tomorrow because it's too late now. All right. Everything you're ready for take part in. Dana never deceive you nothing. She never want nothing on your head. She never drape you up. She never do you nothing. You send it off for your free own will because your intention was clear.
If I watch something and I saw somebody, I don't know, whoever, mystical, whatever, and I thought, oh gosh, I'm going to send £20 or £50 or whatever.
Listen to that one, yeah.
Wouldn't it make more sense for you then? You're done, you're running this charity. Wouldn't it make more sense for me to be able to transfer that money into your charity account?
Business bank account, yes.
John Brown, who I'm sending the £20 for, he's going to get all of the £20.
Facts.
And for me to be sending it.
The woman never run a charity. And it was all clear. She never have a charity that was registered. So what kind of charity account she got have? I just know say she had the money laundry. Because when I soon start say, okay, she take this money from this, so that the man there foreign send this money through this, so and put it in this. So at this one now come with a different story, So then I go do money laundry. Because she have a charity account when she don't have a registered charity. You're going to say, why not put the money there instead of sending somebody Western Union and way. Go fund me. I take half of your money as when me hear how true it is, me no know. But me know them take part, me no know for half. If you send your money through the bank and you go, tax a draw from it same way, fees a draw from it same way. So what is the difference if you send the money through Western Union, MoneyGram, or what you want to send it through? And somebody go pick it up. Walking at the boiling sun in Jamaica. Worse from which part? Them day in a Mountain View area. So there is no MoneyGram or Western Union, so they have to go to the town center, which is probably half a tree or downtown. Crossroad. And them have to take bus go. Stand up, walk it from one part to the next part in a sun. Stand up in a long line. You want to tell me that those persons not supposed to get a little thing from it? Whatever. Then again, someone else says, so why the recipient can't go for their money? And when the recipient go for their money now, and when the recipient, you send the money for it, the recipient do. When the recipient goes so boom, no one look. I may say money, change all thought and all mind. And see the money enough so them man and tick so where them never can hear if you have no money with their hand can't lock. You understand? I say hand can't lock. And this if you put on 2 doors and put on 1 window and change the 2 sheets as in so the water come in from the poor little picnic. Them figure all of that. Who gamble gone a gambling house? Who buy cash pot gone buy cash pot? Who want clothes gone buy clothes? Who want hairstyle gone buy hairstyle? Who want nails gone do nails? Who want titty gone look about titty? Who want round this of it gone look? And then all of what we do with the money no do. On the same one, I go come back around and say a scam, then a scam. She set up people for this. So when the woman goes and put fair things in place as an unregistered charity and tell her say she should go and keep her things this way, we still have a problem with it. Because what? This problem we have can't bring her down. So only the one she go other way and take other routes, one can't bring her down. But she was too smart because she were led by the Most High. She never did led by no human.
Sending it to Western Union, and then what you do now, you're going to send Sharon or you're going to send Barbisha to go and pick it up, and then when they pick it up now, you've got to
So what wrong with that?
Just have the money coming directly to you. Why not? And that's why I always said is that there is where the fraud, the money laundering and this deception comes into. I've never said not even a dollar would I send because it's
But no want your money.
scamming. I'm telling you.
You have never sent a dollar based on what you say. And you see how much people get assistant. And all of the people who get assistant, you never help none, but them get assistant. You see, from day one, the few people that will send them money in this charity, we have problem and a complain, as me say, because them feel like them could have buy them way in and get in a Dana head and tell her what to do. And when them realize that them can't tell her what to do, them have a problem. You have the next set to buy them way in because of clout, and when no work out for them have a problem. You have some who come in where them run some farmer business and them come in and them do what them want to do because them feel like say planka shop go sell off them business. You have a next set where have platform and them come in and them go them are the biggest planka. Yes. And then send them money because them want them channel and them page to get promote. Yes. And some of them reach certain distance, you know, them feel like say them should have go further because them want to reach which part than go there. And when it not happen, yes. So the whole of you did have no motive. And when it not work out, you come out against the woman. So all of you we claim someone was donor, whether you can identify yes as donor or no. You did have no motive. The real donor them still stand up until today, from day 1 till day 2, 3, right up until now, and don't have no problem.
It is scabby, alright? And it's preying on vulnerable people. And when I say vulnerable people, you've got people where maybe, you know, your children have left home, maybe
You know how many rate all this
your
woman?
husband's died,
You soon
you're in
hear
the
be a
house on
curse
your
word.
own, you've got your pension, you might be
Now
getting
and
your
if I do it,
husband's
mother,
pension
be
as
a curse
well.
word.
You know, your children send you whatever you want. You don't have to spend money, really, yeah? And you're looking, you want to help people, yeah? And then how she presents herself and thing, you see a lot of these donors, they feel like they've got a relationship with her. Do you get what I mean?
Exactly, and that's the trick.
Yeah,
That is the
they
trick.
feel like they've got this kind of maybe, because probably when I say the money, maybe a couple of times you might message me
Let's
and
see
say,
where you
oh,
say call
thank
her
you
to.
so, you know, or you might even give me a call. Maybe all it will
So
take
no, you
is
get
one
shoot out of the
phone
line, you
call.
have problem
It's
with it.
going to make me feel maybe a bit more special than everybody else because I done a call me, I done a, you know. So a lot of these people, they think that they've got this kind of relationship with her and so on. And all it is that she wants your money. And she doesn't care if that person is old. She doesn't care. She doesn't care if you haven't got a job. She doesn't care. She doesn't care if you've got children. She don't care if you're getting a pension or whatever. She just wants to know that she's getting that money.
So how care coming at this now? She don't care if you have a job, she don't care if you have children, she don't care if you're old. How care coming at this now? None of these people don't know them from day one. She might gradually get to know them through the platform and over phone speaking to them. Most of them should have never met them a day in them life. You understand? So you make it look as if she know them and she not busy if them want to work, just want to know them send them money. Most of these donors send all $10. So if it was all about the money and she don't care, should I ask $100 like no for own back on the other platform? When them come out and somebody send them 10 or 25 stars, them don't want it, them a tell them take it back. People send them $10, $15, $20, we are send that take it back. Me not want it. Even the same platform where you're depend right now, Baby Germs platform, people are sending 50 stars and them refuse it and tell them to take it back. Them out of order. Him is someone who is not a caring person about what persons has to offer or person have to give. Is what he want or what he want to see. You understand? So you're up on a platform now where you talk go for that person upon the even that same platform where you're there on.
And that's all it is. She doesn't give a fuck about not one of them people that are donating. She don't care about money to you. You plankers that pack up under there every minute in your bed. Auntie, I love you. Read the comments. Auntie, I love you. Auntie, I love you. She ain't your fucking aunt.
Listen to the curse word then.
She's not your auntie. You're like 7 and you're calling this big old woman auntie.
Who could be them daughter?
Auntie,
Or the big sister? Or the young sister?
Auntie.
Stupid woman. Big careless woman. Auntie is a title. And big woman you're calling auntie. So because they are older than she, they could not be her auntie. Right here so in Jamaica, me know more than one family where 10-year-old have niece and nephew who are 30-year-old, 20-year-old. Think about what me say. Right here so in Jamaica, me know relative family where 20-year-old affair called 8, 9 and 10-year-old uncle and auntie. Try remember that. Calling somebody auntie, uncle is a title. A man see up that them give respect and treat as a man and they might probably even a younger person than you or whatsoever. But as I say, age don't really matter. They say, uncle, what go on? Them see a woman and say, auntie, what go on? Everything alright, auntie? Someone will say, mama, what go on? You know your mother, but you just say, mama, it's like a title. You dumbass people. Be real now. Wanna just be real now, stop be fake and try to twist and turn things in the way you don't want it, man. Be real, man.
That's my love has to go backside.
These are the things that will pull you in. When you think of the word auntie, you know, we look on our aunties as somebody that's very special.
Sorry, I can't wait you up in the phone. I'm sure I can't hear for just, you know, hold back your head, so. Like, you know, when you have a drenched baby with medicine and chew some of this down your nose.
Big woman them.
Don't come to your own families.
I walkless, them walkless. And I'll put up with them walkless.
Look after your own family.
Right now, she went up on your platform to, oh, she attacked like she's this decent, respectable person. She only sit up on your platform. None of them your woman will come on your platform come talk about anybody else. Not care who. Is no good somebody. Is no decent somebody. A careless people then. Look how you carry on your platform. Look how you behave on your platform. And she ever come on your platform. That simply means from she calling on your platform, you know. She's a big supporter and fan of you, you know. How can she be a good big supporter and fan of you, but yes, it come out and talk other things about other people? And the same thing where she talk about some people and other people are the same thing you also do. And worse. So she can't talk to nobody. She should even call in.
Doctor, which one? Yes, doctor of deception. Yes, we're gonna call her doctor of deception. Moving forward, we're not calling her that, we're calling her doctor of deception. That is it, doctor of deception. Yes.
Go and go take back the document that if you do.
That's our new name, doctor of deception.
And the thing is, it's like you're
When you see her on public television, on another interview, and like it as Andrew only say, honorable. When you say the DR, Dr. Marie Go, on your national TV, take it off. Take it off. Go crazy. Mash up your TV. Dr. Marie Go, Dr. Deception, boom, and fling something on your TV and mash it up. Yes, man. Show you how foolish you are.
yourself, if you look and you like yourself, like Gracie,
Like Donna, you name it.
maybe
Many people.
there's mercy there. Say someone like Madonna now, she's not cursed there. She's just said,
Roxanne, don't start. Roxanne, don't start.
Don't sound
Roxanne, I like you, don't start. Be yourself. Talk, yeah, girl.
And look what they're doing to her. Do you get what I mean? It's not normal behaviour. It is not normal behaviour. It's not. When you think that these people are grown, you go even on Grace's one, your one, the Dunn's one, you go on Marcia's, Lorraine's, you see the people that are cursing the worst. Yeah? And you look at their profile, they're like, they got their hat on, their little blazer, standing up in front of the flowers on a Sunday.
I want to cut my green. I look like Dana.
Yeah, they're old people.
Yes. Big greyback woman. Greyback. I want to use greyback all the time.
And
Go away.
it's like,
You know, all people right now stronger and heartier than your boy. You know what whole people moving around right now. Hearty and strong. But you are cuss right now. You know what them old people they're comfortable and better off than you. Not even a headache. Not even a little blood pressure problem, sugar problem, cholesterol problem. Much less the messy problem where you have. You might not live to reach the age of them old people where you are close.
that other person, their brother, yeah? He's me and Greek. It's all old people. It's old people. And it's, to me, it's like it's organised crime. Do you get what I mean? Just all older women, yes, mainly women, and they're older. And so most of them have got a bob or two, and that's it.
Facts.
And they use them.
Facts.
And they're getting away with it. It's not.
Lady, you know what you want? You want a man. It's a man you want. You're having some form of man issue. Man. I do what you want. Tell the way say you want him, no man. If I do what you want, probably him can't help you. Because probably the man them way they have before they too busy. So probably you find the way now, you can't have him to sit down one side and sit him down and look upon him. So if I do what you want, because you got to talk about whole people, you got to talk about this and all kind of thing. Oh man, you're a big waste of time. Trust me. For you for depend doing platform or calling live, you're a big waste of time. More than want to even take heed from you.
Money. Alright, she makes
Listener,
a lot of money.
listener, read that.
And every single little thing. Oh, you can't buy this one grocery, you can't buy that. When she's saying she's doing this give back, yeah, it's not really. It's money that you've made off of that people have seen you on YouTube. I'm gonna take my YouTube money and buy them lunch. I'm gonna take my YouTube money and buy them this. It's money that people have done their super chats and given you. You think, yeah, alright, you do that today, but by next Friday you've made that money back. Do you understand? She's not putting her hands in her pocket. Look at them, she makes cakes, she does buns. Christmas time, you've had all of this support, yeah, throughout the year.
You dumbass careless woman, you come here. Come here, careless woman. Come here. You say she now put her hand in her pocket. So out her cake sale what day, when she give it how much thousands of dollars, and her money she give it. When she go down a Rushmore and buy how much bag of food and give the people them in her lane, in her surrounding there, so which part she live. Now in her pocket she go and do it. Valentine was just gone. When she take her Valentine basket money and go downtown, go give the mentally ill people them, not her own money. Thousands of dollars she give up on a daily basis, not her own money. You go say when she come and talk about give back, and the YouTube money she use, and not fair money, or offer money, are your own? Are you YouTube pay? Oh. So the people them we are watch and feed them money. We are watching YouTube channel. Because of them give YouTube the money for gear. And if you ever talk about the super chats and stuff like that, How much of them out here, even him out here, where they have a platform, they are getting much money. Well, him not get much money and now. But when him there getting money, you did see him take his money and give it away. Say this come from Facebook, I'm going to give it away. Or this come from YouTube, I'm going to give it away. You know much of them out here get money from Facebook and YouTube by the support of the subscribers and followers, and them not give back nothing. You know much of them. Me as a little platform, I start give back 6 months ago. This month makes 6 months. No, that month here I go make 7 months. And it's not like I have a great support coming from supporters and subscribers. I have a few people who will send a thing this minute, next minute or so. You understand? So it's not like every month when me go out there and give, me have 1 ton other people are send things come give me. Because nobody not obligated to send nothing come give me. You understand? If they send, then send. If they not send, then not send. And as I say, it's a little handful of people, big up little people, them don't know themselves, me not have a call out of the name. And if them send $10, me grateful. And if them send 20, me grateful. If them send 15, me grateful. And me take that and make up when me get me little much on YouTube, me take that and put on it. And if me plan to help to somebody, and the little them can stretch and go 3, me put it 3. Based on what me get from YouTube, because remember one small platform me have. But them now if you send nothing, if them not send $1 at the end of the month, me still go and give back. Based on what me get from YouTube, if I want somebody me can give, and me only can give $50, me give them $50. If me can give 3 somebody, me give 3 somebody. And if they want somebody only can get 5,000, them get 5,000. Whatever me have, me give at the end of the month. You will always see me a give back at the end of the month. None of them now get nothing. We are get now give back nothing. So you got to go and like say the woman YouTube money and super chat money and a fear one. A fear one. Ask the man who you're on him platform if you ever take up 1 month time you social media money and give it to nobody. And all them super chat the way me used to get on stars the way I get. If you ever pull the money one day and say, okay, I go and give it back to this charity. And when I say charity, then an organized charity. Or something where you choose. Ask him. And come out and come chat crap all the while. I work, do one I work. Everybody have a platform out there monetize. It's like a work. It's like a second job. Some of them is a first job for them. Not second, first job. Me can't wait for the day when YouTube becomes my personal job. Cause you feel like me I go feel shame for say YouTube is my personal job and it becomes my personal job. No. You know, it's big YouTuber, we are a millionaire out of YouTube right now. Come tell you, say, the little way them did a work before them discover YouTube. And if them did still a work without YouTube, them couldn't have what them have. Yacht. Flat. Hot. Sat. Mansion. Look on Bluegate. Check Bluegate history as a YouTuber. And listen. And check him history and make him tell you where I come from. Living in Miami. Where I earn could me pay him rent. Oh, and now look at him now. Mansion, yacht. YouTube. Tour and travel the world. YouTube.
This person of me take us in, that person of me take us in. You've got how many hundreds of people every single day on your life to the point of where you know names and stuff like that. Why have you not one day done?
Sometimes I wonder I want to crawl from, you know. Where you really crawl and come from, trust me.
Give away. Alright, you know what? I'm giving away in case.
Every day is another one.
If one person can, do a little competition, give something away to your audience. Why?
You not give back to your family like how Dana give back to the streets out of our pocket. You not give back to your family, probably not even your picnic them, like how Dana give back out of her pocket to the street. So you can't tell Dana about give back.
Not doing that. Not even a button. Nothing at all. You go on other platforms and you see people where they're making money and stuff like that. They will give back. They will give to their audience. They'll do a little raffle or a little competition or whatever. She's not giving away. She won't even give away a prize.
You say them people are idiot. Them just come and chat, yap, to them have mouth for chat. Through them mouth cut cross, you ever chat, them just a chat. I don't know what them a chat say. Him nah stop her with what she say and tell her she a foolish, you know. Him nah stop her and tell her she a foolish. A lie, man, no, she as bad as thing me, she give back a lot from her pocket. Yes, man, she give back. That me gotta stop you there, son. Him nah do that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all about what she can get, and it's not good. And
What she can get, what she a get.
She ain't got no change.
She should continue to dig out the eyeball. Dig out the eyeball and dig out them backside. I mean, I dig out the ass because I dig out them blouse and stuff. I would do it too. Dig out them backside the eyeball.
You just got to need
The girls.
money,
Yeah.
and you spend more money.
The friend a big star there. Ask how much of that money they never give away.
She didn't want them backside, God is you. If she didn't want them clad,
That's what she name, God is you.
They want their ass.
I'm gonna love use God in front of her name.
Them people, they got their little money put down for later on in life, you know.
That part.
God is you. I'm gonna love use God name me.
Your kids or your grandchildren and stuff like that, their money they could be put down for your children's college funds, your grandkids' college funds and stuff like that. It's paying money for this man to build upstairs on his house
Kwame, she depend, you know.
that says he's blind and he's not blind. You lot must feel like,
I tell them say all of this will lead up because of Kwame. Anyway, speak my mind, people. Me don't know where them people are crawled from. Every day is another one come out. Me don't know if I choose the time at, but I know Jamaica most of them, they are foreign. Them type of insect they don't like cold. Oh, so them a crawl for come to Jamaica cause them like the warmer climate. Okay. Oh, probably are that. Cause them are most insect. Cause me don't know them can crawl out. So every minute is a different one. Cause it's clear that she don't know what she has say. Cause when she got talk about give back and Ray and Dana they may give back and she don't know what she has say. All the way she give back is what people are saying come here. She don't know what she has say. And him not stop her in her tracks. Speak my mind, people don't know what they do. Do they do? Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Tamika Douglas TV up there in the community. Give her a subscription. Life with Gabby and Chevy down here so in the comment section. Give her a subscription. And remember, the cash up pin down the $ Life is a Mission TV. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Queen was, me see you. Me coming for you. Me nah give you no knowings, you know, but me just have to come, you know, straighten out a little thing when me and you chat say. Cause I feel like so, you know, on this. I don't even know what to say, but I'm coming for you. Probably a 2 video drop too. Cause when I drop tomorrow, I'm gonna do something for you in the evening hours. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching.